wicked. You're a really good crowd, Hyde Park, you know. Will, where are you going to take him, mate?
We're going back to the noughties.
Well, James, do you want to do this? Huh? I bet you really want to do this.
The viewers will be thrilled by the fairground ride.
Look at that! Oh, there's a spare seat for you there, James. With a pretty lady.
This just seems to be couples.
We're about to navigate through the peculiarity of BST, the sitters. James loves them. I'll go first, you follow it.
Please take the lead because
You follow it. I'm really good at navigating the sitters. You have to be fast, or you'll lose your space at the upcoming MUMFORD gig. Oh, actually, we haven't actually. There's not many sitters to navigate. Before it was like navigating the dead, a field of the dead. They have a lot of shit with them. A lot of stuff with them.
Pat on the head. Give a drum on the head. Come on. Oh,
We're gonna have to get through here. We're going to get through here. It's pretty common shit.
yeah.
I'm not showing you yet, but
The view fails, you fall again. Alone.
you're welcome to grab all of it if you want.
It's in the eyes that can tell you will always be there.